Yo, what is up, guys? See the screen right here? We are on the games page of Roblox. Well, watch what happens once I refresh my page. Account deleted. Our content monitors have determined that your behavior at Roblox has been in violation of our terms of service. Reviewed today. Note: uploading stolen copies of any game is not permitted on Roblox. Your account has been terminated, and if I wish to appeal, do it on the support form. So I'm going to log into my alt and do some digging here. I mean, I've already done it a little bit, and log into my alt. Let's click see all friends. I can't even go to my profile. If I do it on here, page no longer exists. So you guys are probably thinking, okay, what happened to my group? What happened? Everything. Let's go to my groups. Still in it. And I don't know why this looks so bad right now. I don't know why it looks like this, but okay, fan club, rank admin on my alt. I said I got terminated on my main account. And yeah, this right here. Content deleted. Yeah. It's all my game passes, all everything. And yeah, guys, they deleted me for modded Doomspire. And they said that this was a stolen copy. But guys, let's go to Doomspire on games. You see this button right here, edit? Basically, G-Think has allowed people to make copies of Doomspire and basically add anything that they would like and saving it as their own. So he has allowed this to happen. Meaning, like, I haven't done some crazy hack that I stole the game. And guys, just take a look at all of these copies. So in theory, is this mine? That's my thumbnail. Somebody stole my thumbnail. What the heck is this? Yeah, this is my old thumbnail. Okay, whatever. But, guys, literally all of these people can get terminated. Just for something stupid like that. Let's go back. And it's crazy because this account has, I've joined Roblox August 1st, 2012. Which was about 7-8 years ago. And just to have it all gone like that, it's very scary. All the shirts are still here. But, I don't know. Group admin, I don't even know what's in here. Info, okay. Alright, let me go back. But, I mean, it says contact the support forum. I've already filled it out. I've emailed them. The thing is they emailed me back saying, like, they have went over and it's final. They may have said that, but I'm going to be calling Roblox and I'm going to be talking to an actual person. And I'm not going to stop until this is over because I've had a lot of my own, real money put into this account. And it has been on for so long. And they literally scammed me, basically. Like, Roblox basically scammed me. They took all of my money, and not all of my money, they took a lot of my money that I spent on here, especially when I was younger. And they basically just said, nope, can't play anymore. But, like I said, I'm going to keep contacting them until I can get something. Maybe they can somehow find a way to get all the money that's been acquired on here and give it back. Maybe they could just fully open their account, which is what I would like. But I'm not going to stop until something happens. This is really BS because I don't know. I've never had anything like this happen before. I've been banned I think twice. I think one was like for a day and one was like for 3 days. But they didn't even give me a warning. And the thing is Doomspire modded is literally like, I'm pretty sure it's over a year old. I'm not even sure. Can I see? 213. No, it's not. Okay, it's almost a year old. But it's been out for that long. And the thing is these games are still running. Like, why are these not deleted? This one has almost 14,000 visits. I have no idea. Two Spire. Like, why is this one not deleted? This one's also almost 20,000 visits. I don't know, guys. I'm really confused. I'm not gonna stop until this gets resolved. But, I don't know. I'm sure all the haters right now are having a frenzy in the comments. I don't really care. But, for all you supporters out there, thank you for your support. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be doing. Haven't been playing Roblox as much recently. Just been pretty busy lately. But I don't know, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server. My Discord server is where I will be doing the most updates on this. You know, I'm not gonna make a video about just an email Roblox sent me, but I will definitely be talking about it a lot more on my Discord and letting you guys know, so you guys can know fastest. But yep, that's pretty much everything, guys. Check out my fan group and fan shirts, even though I don't really have access to it right now. Hopefully I will in the future. And thank you guys so much for supporting me, and that is everything. Peace.